Hello and welcome to English Seedlings. I'm your host today, Brandon. With all the headlines about artificial intelligence automating everything from writing to driving, it's easy to feel a little anxious. So, is any job safe from AI? Well, the answer is a resounding yes. But the future belongs to jobs that leverages deeply human skills. Today, we're counting down 10 careers which built on empathy, creativity, strategy, and a physical presence that code simply can't replicate. Let's dive in! Kicking off our list at number 10. An AI can screen resumes and schedule interviews, but it cannot handle the delicate, nuanced work of human dynamics. An HR manager mediates a conflict between employees, senses low morale in a team, and makes a final hiring decision based on a candidate's cultural fit and potential, something an algorithm can't quantify. They handle layoffs with compassion and build a company culture. Number 9. Mental health professionals. The core of therapy is empathy, unconditional positive regard, and a shared human experience. An AI can't look you in the eye with compassion, can't feel the emotional weight of your story, and can't draw on its own lived experience to build trust. Healing is a human-to-human connection. Number 8. Educators. A great teacher does more than deliver information. They inspire a disengaged student, they spot confusion in a crowded classroom, they adapt their lesson plan based on the room's energy. They teach resilience, curiosity, and social skills. An AI can be a powerful tool for a teacher, providing personalized drills, but it cannot replace the mentor who shapes a young person's character and love for learning. Number 7. Skilled tradespeople. Think about an electrician troubleshooting a faulty wire in an old house. Every job is in a chaotic, unpredictable physical environment. It requires fine motor skills, adaptability, and on-the-spot problem-solving that is different from the repetitive tasks of a factory robot. Number 6. Scientific researchers. AI is brilliant at analyzing existing data to find patterns, but it cannot formulate a new hypothesis. True scientific breakthrough requires curiosity, intuition, and the creative leap to ask a question that has never been asked before. AI can be a fantastic lab assistant, but the pioneering spirit of discovery is profoundly human. Number 5. Strategic leaders. Managing a company isn't just about optimizing numbers. It's about creating a vision, inspiring people, handling complex stakeholder relationships, and making high-stakes decisions. This requires emotional intelligence, wisdom, and a deep understanding of human motivation, things you can't code into an algorithm. Number 4. Creative artists. I can generate a song in the style of Beyoncé or a painting in the style of Van Gogh, but it has no lived experience, no heartbreak, no joy, no point of view. Art requires intention, vulnerability, and a unique perspective on the world. True art will always require a human artist. Number 3. Legal professionals. The law requires interpretation, context, and nuance. A judge must understand the societal impact of a ruling and show mercy. This involves ethical reasoning, wisdom, and a deep understanding of human nature. Number 2. Emergency responders. Imagine a paramedic arriving at a chaotic accident scene. They must instantly assess the situation, provide life-saving care, while also offering calm, reassuring words to a terrified person. Lastly, number 1. Ethicists, clergy, social workers. These roles deal with morality and human dignity. They help us navigate life's toughest challenges: grief, injustice, and our own purpose. An AI can process data, but it cannot understand the human soul, offer spiritual guidance, or define what is right and good. So there you have it. 10 future-proof careers, all united by one thing: they leverage our core humanity. What do you think? Is there a job you think is safe that we missed? If you found this helpful, please follow or subscribe to English Seedlings wherever you get your podcasts. Until next time, remember, build your skills, but never